Good morning.
It's our first day. And
the Carnival Liberty.
Yep, first day on the Carnival Liberty.
Awesome ship.
Yes,
We're
it
having
is.
so much fun.
We are. We slept like babies last night, didn't we? But
I was thinking like big dogs, but whatever.
dog will work. Go dogs. So we're gonna get off the ship here in the Bahamas, Nassau today.
We are so excited, and we
Yes,
have a surprise for you, a place that we're going. We'll let you know later.
Yes. So keep watching. Hey baby, you having fun?
I'm having fun.
Are you having fun?
Blast. Except somebody broke my sunglasses. It might have been Mitch.
I'm gonna get you a pair. You wait. I did break your sunglasses. But I'm gonna get her a new pair right over here somewhere. I bet you they sell some sunglasses in Nassau. We'll see if we find some sunglasses, but we're gonna explore here. There's Atlantis. We didn't make it to Atlantis this time. We didn't feel like gambling, but there it is, and it's not too far from our ship, which is right there. We make it to the straw market.
I don't know. My husband kept me doing around some crazy stuff.
Ah, that husband of yours again.
He's a bad influence, but I like it.
Yeah. There it is, the world famous straw market. If you need a hat, that's where you go. Senior frogs. Let's skip the t-shirts and just get some senior frogs.
I don't think the kids like senior frogs. This one, how beautiful is it? Good morning. Oh, wow.
You got to get your McDonald's fixed. They got one in the Bahamas for you. But if McDonald's is not your choice, then maybe Dairy Queen will work for you. Are you having fun, baby? If you want to stay in the Bahamas, they have a Margaritaville.
It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful place. Some areas, very cool place.
Look over here.
Okay.
Over here.
What's over here? I see some pirates.
Yep.
Some birds, rather. Some what are those? What kind of birds are those?
Water wall.
Macaw. Am I saying it right?
Where?
The birds.
Oh,
I'm talking.
macaw?
There you go.
Fins up. Water park.
My wife don't listen to me. She's supposed to correct me about 5 minutes ago, but she just
Hey, I don't want to
ignored
be the one
me.
to correct you.
Oh wow, check out the point.
Yep. Wow.
Are we clear to enter?
One particular harbor.
Let's go check this out. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I want to be in here on this water wall. I'm hot.
Let's go see if we can cool off at the...
Look at the entrance to Margaritaville.
There's Margaritaville's entrance, yeah.
Wow. Totally want one of these in my backyard. This is beautiful.
Let's see if we can make it through without getting wet.
I want to get wet.
So we're walking along and we stumble up on this church here. Way, baby, you're in the picture. Look at this beautiful garden. And a very old church. It was open, but they're doing some construction inside, so I couldn't find out too much information. But it's on this beautiful street here. And it's almost at the port. This is that direction. So we're gonna walk up there and see what is up there next. So we made it to Graycliff.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Let's go in there and check it out. You ready?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, way down here. Okay.
I understand.
So here's the thing.
Oh, it's beautiful.
This is as far as we can get to the historic hotel. They are still concerned about the pandemic, and so this is as close as we can get to this historic hotel. But if you're a guest here, you can check things out. There's also a restaurant here too. This is it. Okay.
Shop because it's the bestest, lowest prices.
Not much of a sidewalk on that side either, baby. My baby trying to find a sidewalk.
What?
There ain't no sidewalks here.
All right. Hey,
Just-
where you going?
Oh, you want to go in here?
Because it's the bestest, lowest prices.
Alexander
around here.
He was from South America.
Heritage Museum.
Saltcook was stranded for 4 years on an uninhabited
to do?
island in the South Pacific Ocean. It is believed that this true life event was the inspiration for Daniel Defoe's fictional character of Robinson Crusoe. Take a moment to experience all of the Robinson Crusoe items that we have right there.
Heritage Museum of Bahamas is upstairs. Chocolate sample? Huh?
The Humidor Restaurant. The pizzeria. Don't miss your chance if you want pizza.
You want some chocolate?
I do not.
You do not. No chocolate for Marcy.
I want that umbrella right there.
I think we're at the end of the street here. Cigar company. But the problem with cigars is you can't take them back in some places. So.
And you can't smoke them on the ship that I
And
know
you can't. Well, you
of.
could.
Like that.
Yeah.
The big one.
So.
What is this? This is beautiful.
What?
This is beautiful. I don't know what it is. I love the color. I love that gorgeous gate.
Alrighty, we're leaving Graycliff.
The bougainvillea. Everything is just so pretty.
We're heading back to the ship after leaving Graycliff. It's only a few blocks away. You can walk it, catch a taxi. It's not too far away. So We're about to call it a day, get back on the ship. And we'll see you guys at our next stop. So keep on watching. Check out our next video. It's got to be in the corner there. And be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified of our next video. Until then,
See ya.